How to fix Modern Warfare 2 status installing glitch. To fix Modern Warfare 2 status installing glitch, try these steps. 1. Press the options button when you see Modern Warfare 2 installation stuck window. 2. Select any menu option, say quick settings. 3. Keep going back out of the menu until you see the campaign early access screen. 4. Keep ignoring a few more MSGs before you land on the single player campaign. Last but not least, here are some other tips. 5. Quit and replay your MW2 game. 6. For console players, power down your machine. 7. Install any patch from the EA company.